Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. I am so excited. This is the week of 10 tips, tools, and planner techniques that I'm sharing with my live and local as well as my On the Express retreat channels. So check out TOCtown.com to know on a day-to-day basis. I'm updating it every day of the week from Monday through Friday. Plus, on the working weekends, I have 2 bonuses that I'm sharing with my participating patrons. So there's a lot to share. And also, I have some chit chats that I want to, go ahead and invite you in on another cafe and courtyard. It's a con leche session for those of us that fast and pray and seek the Lord in everything that we do, but just need that extra added guidance from your brothers and sisters online. So I even share that. So join me for 10 sessions for my winter workshop. Take care.